Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get Delta Executor on your phone. So this works on iOS and Android. So I'm going to open a game just to show you guys that it actually works, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download it. But this is super cool, guys. So if you're in the market for the Delta Executor, I'm going to show you guys how to download it on iOS and Android. So let's get into the video. So as you can see, we have to watch this ad first, but yeah, this is super cool, guys. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's get straight into the tutorial. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and join the Delta Executor just so you guys can see that it actually works. But yeah, this is super cool and you have got to try it out. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's get straight into the video. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and play a game just so you guys can see that it actually works. So let's go ahead and join this game right here just so you guys can see. And then I'm going to show you that it is fully working. So let's just give it a second. So as you can see, here we are, and we're just going to let it load, and we should be good to go. So let's see what happens. Alright, and here we are. You can see we have the whole menu. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So let's get straight into the video. So this is super cool, guys. Fully works. So I'm going to show you exactly how to get it. So let's get straight into the guide. So as you can see, we got all the settings right there. So yes, it's really cool. So yeah, let's get into this tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it onto your device. Alright, so let's get down and dirty with it, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So as you can see, we got all the settings. So got the button right there with all the menus. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the website deltainstaller.org. So let me just go ahead and type that in right here. So it's deltainstaller.org. So this is the site where you can actually download it onto your device. So once you're there, guys, you just want to go ahead and press the button that says start download. But before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. So you just have to do your device. So select whether you're using an iPhone or an Android, press inject, and then the verification. So I'm just going to let it download here, as you can see. So let's just give it a second for this to go ahead and load up. And now it's going to bring us to the verification page, where all we have to do is download 2 of the apps, and we should be all good to go. So as you can see, it says verify now, so just press that. It's going to bring you the list of apps. So all we have to do is download 2 of these apps, and we're going to be all set, guys. So as you can see, we got tons of them. So just make sure you do 2 of them. So I'm going to do Lumo VPN, so it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me here, as you can see. So while this is downloading, I'm going to go back on the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So let me just go ahead and go back on the list. So for the second app, I'm going to go ahead and do Evertail. So it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to go ahead and download it. So now I'm going to go to the home screen and just wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So let's just see what happens. Alright, we should be good to go. So the VPN's done, so I'm going to run it. I'm just going to do some basic interactions, touching around, whatever, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do that right here, as you guys can see. Alright, I'm just playing around with it. So yeah, it's pretty simple. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, as you can see. So let me just do that. Alright, so just running it right here. So yeah, now we'll do Evertail. This one's a game, so you just got to go ahead and play through it. So let's just go ahead and do that right here, as you guys can see. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to run this. Alright, so let's just go ahead and do that right here, as you guys can see. Alright, so just playing through it. So yeah, it's pretty simple. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, as you can see. So let's just go ahead and do this. So I'm just going to do it for a little bit more, as you can see. Alright, so I'm just running this right here. So anyway, guys, now we should have the Delta Executor on our device. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself, because it's super cool. As you can see, you just have to join the game. And yeah, I'm not really someone that does videos, but this is legit, so I had to share it with you guys. So definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. It's super cool. So yeah, get the word out, guys. This is amazing. You can actually get the fully working Delta Executor for your device. So that's so cool, guys. So hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, I'm going to see you guys later.